Hey everybody, how you doing? Mr. Bookman here, and I will be reading Jasper and Ollie by Alex Willan. Please enjoy. Jasper and Ollie. Wait, I know. Let's go to the pool. What do you think, Ollie? Should we go to the pool? Ollie, hey Ollie, do you want to go to the pool? Sounds good to me. Great, I'll race you there. On your mark, get set. Go! And he races off, puts on his swim trunks, runs by the male ostrich, runs by the fountain, runs over Mr. Turtle, past the ice cream truck, and he makes it to the pool. I did it! I won! I'm the champion! Ugh! He should have been here by now. I wonder what is taking Ollie so long. Wait, that sneaky Ollie, I bet he is here, and I just don't see him go past. I didn't see him go past. Oh, Ollie is just leaving, Jasper. Ollie, 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 Ollie. This isn't working. Wait, I know I need to get to higher ground. Ollie's just going down the steps, Jasper. Well, he goes up the ladder, climbs up the ladder. He's on the diving board. Where could he be? Wait, he must be hiding from me. Well, he's at the mailbox checking the mail. Jasper. Ollie, Ollie. Ollie is smelling flowers, Jasper. Ollie. He's not usually this good at hiding. Wait, maybe he's getting a snack. Is he at the snack place? Do any of you see him? No. There he is. He's getting mail from the mail ostrich. He's not at that table. Not around. Where could he be? Wait, maybe I should ask the lifeguard for help. Tell me, where is my friend Ollie is? He's asking the lifeguard. Wait, of course, Ollie must be in the pool. No, he's at a water fountain, Jasper. Ollie! Is he in the pool? Ollie! Ollie! Did any of you see him in the pool? No. Oh, there he is. He's helping Mr. Turtle paint his fence. Ugh! The pool is way too crowded. There's no way I'm going to be able to find Ollie. Wait! Ollie's not there. He's waiting in line at the ice cream truck, Jasper. Ollie, ring, ring. Ollie, ring, ring. Ollie. Looks like the crowd is getting tired of him hollering for Ollie, huh? There he is. He's at the ice cream truck now. Is he getting ice cream for him and you, Jasper? The lifeguard throws Ollie out of the pool area. There's Ollie. Hey Jasper, it looks like you beat me here. Ollie with some ice cream cones for Jasper. Ice cream cone for him and Jasper. Wasn't that sweet of Ollie to do that? Should we go inside? You know what, Ollie? I was just thinking, why don't we go to the pool when we could go to the beach? Sounds good to me. Do you want a race? Who gets there first? I know what, Ollie. I think the racing can wait. So they decide not to race, instead of walk. Aw. That was a hilarious book. Huh. Yeah, did any of you enjoy it? If you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that for me? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below? And subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a book for book reading, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one, and thanks for watching. And please, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. Also, if you're new and you came along this book reading, hit that red subscribe button down below. Or if you're new, and subscribe to my channel. And please share this video as well. But y'all have a good one and take it easy. And this is Mr. Bookman. And I'm out.